So we made it to this area where the gentleman had a sighting. He saw two tall legs standing by his mailbox, standing bipedal. So he called us out, and we are going to go in this area and look to see if we see anything that's interesting.
All right, that's what I was going to say you want to do. Take this. This runs east and west. Take this dead into the lake.
Okay, yep, I know that.
Go around the left side, and that's where I told you that canal is.
Yep.
There's a canal that goes from the lake over to the lowland over here. That's a real good area to look because it's always wet and stuff in there. So that's what I would recommend. But what happened was, right there by my mailbox, when y'all saw me standing there,
Yep.
I look out the window of my trailer, and there's it's 2 o'clock in the morning. The cats are laying out in the front yard. So I went to take a leak, and I look out the window because the light lights up everything. So I look, and the cats are gone. And as soon as I saw the cats were gone, I look up and I see 2 legs over by my mailbox walking. I don't know if it's walking or what. All I saw is 2 legs that look like men legs, and they're 2.5 to 3 foot long. They're that long, straight. And I thought, wow, that's weird, you know? And I said, that's not a bear. That's the first thing I say, because I've seen bear all the time in here. But I know, I wouldn't have called you guys. If I saw a back of a bear, I'd have known it'd been short and fluffy and all that. Not a way. It was 2 legs. And they look gray with long hair. That's what it looked like. Now, I couldn't see the butt or nothing like that, because when it moved by the tree, by my mailbox, and I just got to see it for a couple of seconds.
Yeah.
You know, so that's basically what happened.
Hasn't rained in a while.
All right, we are starting on our venture. I got the therm on, I got the tri-field meter on, and we are going to see if we can find any evidence of anything unusual. Today we have Miriam, and we have Brooke. We have me.
Howdy.
And we have a spike. Hold on. I'm pulling the meter up to my camera to see the readings, and up to my GoPro, and it really isn't spiking that much at all. So that was a nice little spike. Okay. Right now we're getting deeper, and the lake is over there, so we made it to the lake part. Now we're just going to walk this way and see if we can possibly find anything, structures, a marker. So far it's quiet. So far the meter had 1 spike, and that's about it for now. Well, we're making our way around the area. It's been pretty quiet. We only had the meter go off twice, a tri-field meter, just a little spike. But I bet you at night, it's a whole different story. Getting a little bit of a spike here. It's the biggest spike we've had so far. 73, 41, 46, 47, 71, 62, 13, 18, 25, 52. So this area so far has been the biggest spike area on our little hike. And now it's back down. Wow. Still spiking a little bit. And over there, it's just so nice. Look at that. You got your water source over here. We're entering the road that takes us to Claw Creek, that area we named Claw Creek. We're on our way. We're gonna back up. We're gonna eat some lunch. We're gonna sit and we're gonna listen today. Maybe, of course, walk around a little bit. Maybe. No, it's a woodpecker going up the tree. What woodpecker? Well, made it back to the we call Claw Creek area. I'm gonna put a camera out here. Look at these claw marks again. Show Brooke, she didn't see him. Right there. I do see it. All right, you go see how soft that water is, how hard that ground is under that water. Because if it's good, we'll walk across and explore over there. Right there. Right here.
Animal tracks.
Oh, good. Oh, yep, muddy.
That's okay.
Is that hard?
We could do it.
Barefoot? Or with my shoes on?
I actually think it'd be easier to go this way.
Yeah, it looks shallower, huh?
Yep.
See, it depends. If this is the last place we're gonna get out and walk, then I have no problem getting my feet wet.
Okay.
But if we're gonna keep stopping other places and getting out,
Yeah, then you have a problem. Yeah.
Wow. We could probably do it.
I just think in there is neat.
Lots of animal tracks.
Maybe another golf ball. I found a golf ball here the other day. All in there, right there, in there.
Yeah, we were looking at that.
Ooh, watch out for these cypress knees.
They're really bad.
They're tripping. See, now the water's super low. So when the water's up, all this is underwater. You want to see really something cool? A chair stuck in the cypress knees over here. Look. See it? A chair for you to sit in while you're fishing. I really want to go over there so bad. If I find a good log, I'm going. If I find a low spot. Look at this trail. Look at this very well-marked walk trail by the animals. Whoa. Oh, wow. Look at that beautiful dragonfly. Yes. Oh. Wow, this is so nice. Careful. Oh, look at this. A little natural seat. Right here, see? It's a natural chair. You sit right here, and that's a chair. Wow, look at these game trails in here. Ooh, nice. Nice. Whoa, whoa, whoa. So, probably a deer, I think. Right there. Big what, this?
Yeah.
Yeah, big palm. Oh, man. Oh, this is pristine in here now. I'm trying to get by the river closer to see how it looks from here. It's hard to get there. This definitely on this side. Oh, look at this beautiful, talking about dragonflies. Beautiful black one with like double wings. It's right in there. Oh, is that a bottle? Oh my God. It is. Oh, I'm gonna check this bottle out. If I can get to it. Ugh. Oh man. I was gonna go that way, but I found a bottle here. I wanna see what kind it is. Get it out of here. Wow, what the heck kind of bottle is this? Oh, a bottle. But I gotta get it. It's a weird, it's a tall one.
It looks like a pickle or something. Olives? Yeah, I know.
It has a very different lip.
I wonder if it's an olive. You know how they have those metals? It's not really a twist, but you.
Yeah. It could be. Look at him.
Doesn't even bother him, does it?
No. He's a big one. Let's go see him. Let's go say hi. Oh. Hey, buddy. Yeah, first man, he's a big one. Golly. Look how big he is compared to my foot. It's pretty big. Pretty nice one.
Oh, yeah, he's a big one.
Yeah, he's big. Isn't he nice? Nice color. He's a big.
These him. His tracks.
Yeah. Little tracks.
Oh, he's scared now?
Yeah. Nice one. There he's going to get home probably. Probably went out for an afternoon snack. I'm gonna actually change out the card that's in the camera here. Ow. One time me and James were in here, just changing the card, and you're not gonna believe it, a big tree fell right over here behind us. Like it was huge. Okay. Yay, huh? Guy, he's bigger than the other one. Look at him. He's huge. He's been out here a long time. Look at how big he is. Look at this. There's my foot compared to this one. That's huge.
How fast that sucker can go.
And he's huge.
All right, buddy, we'll leave you alone.
He's going right there, his hole. See it? Look how big his hole is.
Come here, Brooke. You want to see something cool? Yeah. Hurry up.
What?
Hurry up. Oh, shoot, my camera. Okay, I think it's, I can't tell if it's.
He's a big one. God almighty.
Watch when he slides down. See how big his. He's like, come on, dude. Don't make me go down there. Whoop. Slide on in.
And there he goes. He was big. He's been here for many years. Our third today, or fourth little one, but this one is the teeniest. This guy is little.
Turn him over for a second.
Turn him over. Ooh.
Oh, that's not a box turtle. Okay.
No.
Kathy got peed on.
I got peed on. That's gross. I gotta, yuck.
Guys. What?
Oh yeah. Is that?
That's one of those hobby.
Oh.
Nah, that's the best.
That's weird.
No, it might have a radar on top of it.
Yeah, maybe that's what that was. I'm gonna put this one on the other side. Right there. There comes another one.
That's a float plane.
Yeah, that's one for the, he's waving at us.
Really?
Yeah, tipping his wings. Yeah.